I just want to reflect on the data that we've had for this economy because it has been brutal. 22 million jobless claims in a single month, wiping out a decade of jobs growth. I want you to help us understand how you see the future path for policy together with this recovery as these economies slowly normalise at the back end of this year.
Yeah, so you're right. The data is very ugly, not unexpected given what we've decided as a country to do in the best interest of public health, which is, of course, social distancing and shutting down. And the medical experts tell us that's the best way to control the virus. So what you've seen is all the numbers coming in basically reflect that shutdown in activity, the fact that many firms are furloughing workers. You see that in the initial claims numbers. You see workers being laid off. This is very, very painful for everyone. Not only do you have to deal with illness and sickness, but then you also have to worry about your financial well-being. So, you know, small businesses throughout our district, in the 4th District, the Midwest, are telling us, you know, this is an incredibly unprecedented event for them. So I'm not that surprised about the actual numbers per se because we engineered this shutdown. The question is, going forward, can we put in policies, and I think the Fed and the federal government have been trying to do this, to get people from the economy that looked good in February through this pandemic shutdown period so that when the economy begins to open up again, they have the wherewithal to sort of have the recovery come on board. And so a lot of the things that the Fed is doing is to try to make sure that there's a good foundation in terms of functioning markets, which of course is vital for an economy to get, you know, credit and lending to the households and businesses that need it, to reduce collateral damage and mitigate some of the impacts from this shutdown so that when we get to the point where the economy reopens, the recovery is in the best possible place it can be given this unprecedented shutdown in activity.